She is entering the restroom. She is entering the restroom. He has closed the toilet door. He has closed the toilet door. She is washing her hands. She is washing her hands. He has flushed the toilet. He has flushed the toilet. She is using toilet paper. She is using toilet paper. He has cleaned the toilet seat. He has cleaned the toilet seat. She is checking the soap. She is checking the soap. He has washed his hands. He has washed his hands. She is drying her hands. She is drying her hands. He has replaced the toilet paper. He has replaced the toilet paper. She is cleaning the sink. She is cleaning the sink. He has wiped the mirror. He has wiped the mirror. She is using the hand sanitizer. She is using the hand sanitizer. He has emptied the trash bin. He has emptied the trash bin. She is closing the faucet. She is closing the faucet. He has cleaned the floor. He has cleaned the floor. She is leaving the restroom. She is leaving the restroom. He has washed the toilet bowl. He has washed the toilet bowl. She is keeping the bathroom clean. She is keeping the bathroom clean. He has left the restroom. He has left the restroom.